In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to uninstall Notion on laptop. If you've decided Notion isn't for you anymore, or you just want to free up some space, I'll guide you through the exact path in Windows to remove it cleanly. We'll use the built-in Settings app, which is the most reliable way to uninstall programs on a Windows laptop. Before you begin, make sure Notion is closed so the uninstaller can do its job without any interruptions. Start by clicking the Start button on your taskbar to open the Start menu. In the menu, look for the gear-shaped Settings icon and select it to open the Settings app. This is where Windows centralizes all your system options, including where your apps are managed. Once you are in Settings, choose Apps. This section controls everything related to installed applications, defaults, and features. Next, select Installed Apps. This page lists every app currently installed on your laptop, making it easy to find and remove what you no longer need. Depending on your Windows version, the wording may look slightly different, but the destination is the same. The full list of installed applications. At the top of the Installed Apps page, use the search bar and type Notion. You should see Notion appear in the results. When it does, look to the right of its name for the three dots, which open a small menu with actions for that app. Click those three dots and then choose Uninstall. Windows will prompt you to confirm that you want to proceed. Click Uninstall again to continue. You may see an additional Notion uninstaller window appear. If it does, follow any on-screen prompts to complete removal. This process usually takes only a few moments. While it runs, don't worry if the screen flickers briefly or the list refreshes. That's normal as Windows updates the installed apps list. When the uninstallation is finished, Notion should disappear from the Installed Apps page. That's your confirmation that it has been removed from your laptop. If you previously had a Notion shortcut on your desktop, Start menu or taskbar, you might still see an icon temporarily until Windows refreshes those shortcuts. That doesn't mean the app is still installed. It simply indicates that the shortcut hasn't updated yet. And that's it. You've successfully uninstalled Notion using the Windows Settings app. To quickly recap the path we followed: Start, Settings, Apps, Installed Apps, search for Notion. Open the three-dot menu and select Uninstall. Simple, direct, and effective. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you tidy up your laptop. If you found this walkthrough useful, feel free to check out our other how-to guides for more step-by-step help.